Apple is shaking things up with the iPhone 17 series, and the biggest surprise? The iPhone 17A. This new model replaces a Plus version and brings a completely fresh design. And get this, it's Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, measuring just 5.5 to 6 millimeters thick. That's insanely slim. But the changes don't stop there. Apple is also revamping the camera setup, going with a horizontal camera module for the first time. And if you've been waiting for promotion on non-Pro iPhones, it's finally happening. Every iPhone 17 model will now have a 120Hz LTPO display, which means smoother scrolling and animations across the lineup. Performance-wise, the A19 chip is coming to the standard and M models, while the Pro models get the A19 Pro, built on TSMC's latest 3nm process. Apple is also improving cooling on the Pro versions with a vapor chamber system, which should help with heat management during gaming or intensive tasks. Battery life might not see a huge jump, but 35W charging is sticking around, and of course, MagSafe is here to stay. Now, cameras. The iPhone 17A is going for a single 48MP rear camera, likely due to its thin design, while the Pro Max keeps its 48MP telephoto lens. The front camera is getting a huge upgrade to 24MP, making it a major step up from previous iPhones. And if rumors are true, 8K video recording might finally arrive on the Pro models. Connectivity is also getting a boost. Apple is said to be introducing its own 5G modem in the iPhone 17A, while the rest of the lineup will still use Qualcomm modems. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3 are standard across the board, and it looks like Apple is ditching the SIM tray in even more regions, pushing ESIM adoption even further. As for pricing, expect the iPhone 17 to start at $799, the iPhone 17A at $899, and the Pro model from $999. The official launch is expected in September 2025. So, what do you think? Is the iPhone 17A an upgrade worth getting, or just a thinner version of what we already have? Let me know your thoughts.